In the last lecture, we have studied about the coordination number, means how to find out the coordination number. Then we are going to study here types of compounds. There are three types of compounds: simple salt, double salt, and coordination salt. It is also called as coordination complex. Simple salt. That simple salt is made up of single cation and single anion, means one cation and one anion. Its example is sodium chloride. When the sodium chloride, NaCl means sodium chloride. When the sodium chloride dissolved in water, it gives Na plus ion and single Cl minus ions. Means you will get here one Na plus ion and one Cl minus ions. Means you will get here single cation means one cation and one anion. Therefore, simple salt is made up of single cation and single anion. Now, about double salt and coordination salt. Both these salts looks like same, but these are different. How that's different? Now, about double salt. Double salt. It is a combination of two salts. It is a combination of two salts. Its example is Mohr salt. That is having formula FeSO4, NH4 twice, SO4 6 times H2O. Here two salts. Which are that? FeSO4 and NH4 twice SO4. This Mohr salt is a double salt. That is made up of two salts. That is made up of, or it is a combination of these two salts. Therefore, it is called as double salt. When this double salt dissolved in water, you will get different ions, or different ions are generated here. See that. When this Mohr salt dissolved in water, you will get Fe2 plus ion, means one Fe2 plus ion, NH4. How many times? 2 times. Twice NH4 plus ions. SO4 2 times. Twice SO4 2 minus ions. Means how many total ions are generated here? These 2 SO4 ions, 2 NH4 plus ions, and 1 Fe2 plus ions. Means total 5 ions are generated here. Total 5 ions are generated here. What happens? Double salts is dissociates in water. What is meant by dissociates? Means it dissolves in water and gives different ions. That ions are in a Mohr salt, 5 ions are generated. This double salt represent different constituent particles. It represents different constituent particles, or its constituent particles. Second example is the potash alum. That potash alum also double salt. That formula is K2SO4 Al2SO4 thrice 24 times H2O. When this salt dissolve in water, you will get these ions. Potassiums, 2 ions you will get here. Aluminiums, 2 times. Aluminum having a plus 3 charge. Therefore here twice Al plus 3. Then SO4, this 3 and this 4. 4 not 4, 3 and this 1. 4 times SO4, 2 minus ions. Here also different ions are generated in case of a potash alum. Potash alum is called as in a Marathi turdi. It is called as a turdi. It also dissociates in water and you will get different ions are here. Therefore, this is a double salt. This double salt represents its constituent particles. But in a coordination complex, what happens here? Here it loses its identity. याची आयडेंटिटी काय केली जाते याच्यामध्ये लूज केली जाते. But in case of a coordination salt, what happens in a coordination salt? Its example is K4 FeCl6. This is a coordination compound, or it is also called as a coordination salt. When this coordination salt dissolved in water, it gives K plus how many? 4 ions plus one complex ion you will get here. complex ion which is this complex FeCN6 square bracket complete here that carries -4 charge. You will get here 4K plus ions and 1 FeCN6 minus ions. These 4K plus ions are called as counter ions. And this is called as complex ion. When coordination salt or coordination complex dissolve in water, it gives at least one complex ion. At least one complex ion you will get here. And there are 4 counter ions. Means total 5 ions are generated here. These are 4 and this is 1 off. This square bracket entity does not break in a aqueous solution. Does not break in a aqueous solution. Therefore, it remains as it is in a square bracket, and that is called as complex ion. That is called as a complex ion. And that is 1 ion. Total is a 1 ion. This does not get separate. Therefore, that is called as complex ion. And this potassium 4 ions you will get here that are called as counter ions. There are 5 ions generated. In a coordination complex, what happens? At least one complex ion generated here. At least one complex. This Fe and cyanide does not get in a separate. Does not get in separate. Therefore, this is called as a complex ion. This is the difference between double salt and complex or coordination salt. Double salts dissolve in water or dissociates in water and to give separate ions or different ions. But in case of coordination salt, there is one of the complex ion. There is formation of one of the complex ion. Therefore, that is called as a coordination salt. Okay. Next. What is the difference between double salt and coordination salt? Double salt dissociates in water. It loses its identity. It loses its identity. But in case of a coordination salt does not dissociate in water. When dissociate,